Welcome to Vlogmas day 18 through 24. I love social media, I love to post, but I also love to live in the moment. So I film and edit when I can. The closer I got to Christmas, the crazier things got, and I promised myself I wouldn't stay up till 1 a.m. editing. And so we're getting to it now. We're going to do the highlights, and I'm going to just jump to all the tips and tricks that I did during these days. First hack is Walmart for my Christmas cards.
My holiday cards first, because I just ordered them today. I'm always a little bit behind on holiday cards. We're going to Walmart to pick up my Christmas cards.
The card, so cute, so cute. Tonight is the night for the memory tree. The memory tree. It's your second tree. I have one tree that's big that I use for my decorative tree. I'll theme it differently every year using what I have. But the memory tree is the essence of Christmas. It's where I combine my childhood ornaments and my husband's childhood ornaments, and then the travel ornaments we get together. It's just where all your Christmas memories go. And yes, you can have one tree and put everything on there, but I do like to have a themed tree. So this is what personally works for me. Look at that. We're at day 19.
I've mentioned it before, but I like to do my mascara when I get places. I don't know why. A lot of times if I'm running late, it's a way I can cut time. It's something that I could do on the road easily. So if I get there on time, I'm like, okay, it's just like a weird little thing that I do. But I always have mascara in my purse because I always love to touch it up. For some reason, I feel like mascara kind of comes off during the day. And it's like, why does it fade? I always think it's so weird.
I had a little details appointment and my client brought me like a little gift bag. How cute is that?
We are on a work mission right now. We're at Smart and Final. We have an event tonight and they're doing an Asian buffet. I guess the delivery person, instead of delivering 3 cases of spring rolls, they only deliver 2. We need more spring rolls, so here I am.
Haha, spring rolls, baby. And it's exactly what we needed. 50 more pieces. Yay.
We're gonna sneak out. We got an event going on. No one needs to know. Well, I tried to sneak out. One last question. Oh, there's always one last question. That's why you just gotta go. You just gotta go.
On to day 20. It's a new lash day, and these are the lashes I use. Ardell's 600 Wispies. They're my absolute favorite. They're my go-to. I buy them in a 4-pack from Amazon. The key to picking out a fake lash needs to be a clear band, not a black one, and your lashes need to look zigzaggy. You do not want them going straight across and looking perfect. That's what's going to make them look fake.
We're in. We're out. I got the stamps. They didn't have holiday stamps. I don't need holiday stamps. I want these to be good for whenever anyways. I don't even think I would have got holiday stamps if that was an option.
Tonight marked the first night of official holiday celebrations starting. We went out with my sister-in-law and brother-in-law for dinner at Strongwater in Anaheim. It's a tiki bar. The food's fantastic. The drinks are even better. Actually, that Loco Moco burger, maybe it's even better than a drink. Highly recommend. Hello, day 21. We need to get these Christmas cards out stat, so I needed to set up a station. I addressed all the envelopes, and then if you don't have a stamp with your address on it, what are you doing? You need to get one immediately. It is such a lifesaver.
I just got back from mailing our Christmas cards and going to the bank to get money for our nieces and nephew. We're seeing them tomorrow for Christmas. It's like our Christmas tomorrow with them because they'll be with their dad. They like money, so I give them money. Then they can get whatever they want. You know what I mean? And right now we're going to wrap some presents and then we're going to get ready for the night because we are going to dinner at the Blind Rabbit, which is a speakeasy in Anaheim, and it's gonna be so much fun. Christmas cocktails, Christmas decor all around. I am so excited. We're gonna do drinks and apps there, and then we're gonna go to dinner at another location that's over there. I haven't decided which one yet. There's like a really good Mexican place, but then there's a really good dim sum place, and they have the best garlic noodles you'll ever have in your entire life. They're with the sous vide egg. Oh my God. It's like a carbonara garlic noodle. It makes me want to cry.
Okay, back to wrapping presents. Since last year, I have used hardly any ribbon for my gifts because I've been obsessed with making my own bows for my presents. You can make bows any size that you want, so depending on what size you want is how big the piece of wrapping paper is going to be, but you want it long and just a little bit wide, or like a rectangle, very long rectangle. Then you're going to trim the sides, making like an oval shape, keeping the ends blunt. Then you're going to open it up and you're going to fold the outside ends in to meet in the middle and tape them together. And then you're going to take one of the scraps that you cut off and you're going to cut a long rectangular shape. And this is going to go around the middle of the bow. If you want to get really fun, you can use a different wrapping paper and mix and match. You can
do so many things with this. And then just add some tape to the back of the bow and stick it on your present. Speaking of mixing and matching, you can kind of take it to the next level by mixing and matching and putting two bows on top of each other, one bigger, one smaller. I feel like it's so cute. And then tonight we went to dinner with our cousin and his girlfriend, and we stopped in La Mirada, California to see the Christmas Vacation House. If you've never seen this, if you've never heard about it, and you do live in California, it is worth stopping by. It is so cool. The person that owns this house adds different things every year to keep enhancing it. It's just the most magical thing you'll ever see. Of the Month Club sticker, like that's attention to detail. And that brings us to Vlogmas Day 22. I spent most of the day wrapping presents, and during the evening we went to my mother-in-law's house and we had our Christmas with our nieces and nephew as they were going to be at their dad's house for Christmas. And my mother-in-law is so fun. She always gets these little trinkets that we get to end up opening at the end of dinner, and there's always something fun and stupid inside, like tattoos. But this year there was actually a bracelet that I think I'll use for years to come. And just like that, we're already at Vlogmas Day 23, Christmas Eve. And it was off to work I went. Events don't stop for the holidays.
So this is the bag I gave my friend slash coworker, and this is the bag she got me. Aren't they so weirdly similar? I'm dying.
I'm officially on Christmas break from work. We're done. I need to stop at the store, which I'm so sad because my hubby went to the store already today and I just forgot to add this to the list. It was my grandma's birthday about a week ago, and so I'll be seeing her on Christmas, and I wanted to give her her favorite birthday cake just to like celebrate with her, which is angel food cake. I'm gonna get some heavy cream so I can make homemade whipped cream, and I'm also gonna get strawberries because that's like her favorite thing ever. And one of my besties is down here from LA, so I'm meeting her. We're gonna go stocking stuffer shopping.
I don't know what to do with this guy. Look at him. Look at him. We are back on the gift wrapping train, and I saw this hack on TikTok where you use the box to fold up sweaters, jackets, whatever. So let's see if it works. And that little hack totally worked. It's in the box. My box might be a little bit small, but it's still gonna work. I'm gonna make it happen. But I really, really loved that little technique. So when I have weird shaped items, these are little propagation buddies. I like to make little bags out of wrapping paper. So I'll show you how I do it.
You might have to practice doing this a couple times just to get the width of the bottom of the bag right for your item. But once you do, this is such a fun hack when you don't have a bag. You're going to take wrapping paper and fold it in on itself and tape the back of the bag. And then you're going to fold it up towards the bottom, and then again, depending on how big your item is how big the fold will be. And then you are going to press that now pocket that you made open, fold down, almost making a diamond like shape. And then you're going to tape that, and then you're going to fold down the diamond points, and you're going to tape that. And then open up your little bag that you just made, place your item inside, and close up the top half of the bag any way you'd like. If you want to, add a little bow like I taught you how to do earlier. And we did it. We made it. Vlogmas Day 24. Happy Christmas Eve. I have all my family coming over for Christmas tomorrow morning, and then we're going to Matt's aunt's house for dinner, and I don't have time to do the appetizer tomorrow, so I'm making it today and dropping it off at my mother-in-law's. She's going to take it for me. For Christmas Eve, Matt and I made reservations at The Cellar. It's one of our favorite restaurants to dine at. It's in downtown Fullerton in California. It was a different menu than they normally have. It was a little bit of a set menu where you can choose what you want off of it, and it was so good. They had some fun cocktails, so this was a really great start to the night, followed by Knott's Berry Farm.
He's like, I want to play. Hi, Santa.
I love Knott's at Christmas. Highly recommend. And then the last thing I do on Christmas Eve every year is prep the monkey bread. Monkey bread is a tradition in my husband's family, so we have to continue it. I hope you had a very Merry Christmas or a happy holiday, depending on what you celebrate. And after watching, I hope you came away with a new tip or trick that you can use next year, or perhaps on a birthday gift coming up. At the end of the day, I just love helping people, and I love sharing life hacks because I feel like they're so helpful. So I hope you find them helpful too. Until next year, good night.